Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Urdaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly brings to you the penultimate chapter of September 2023 right here live on our Facebook page DPAT's Tamiya League. This is DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So, without further ado, we are now in our group stage of our... Sorry. Natabig yung baso. Turog. Alright. Nagbigla pang nag-blooper sa umpisa. Alright. So, we are now in our group stage of September 25, 2023 edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, and we will start right away with Group A race number 1, which will feature the match-up between Cosmo Atomica taking on Megmar Battle of Red Chassis. Ang mangyayari ngayon sa una nating segwalo to start off our newest edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference live on our Facebook page, DPAT's Tamiya League. Also, i-share ko rin po yan sa iba ko pang mga accounts at sa ano din, kahit Don Patrick Misolas Aguilar at DPAT Aguilar. Yeah. Isang tao lang po yun ha. Yours truly, Don Patrick DPAT Aguilar right here, hosting another edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Eh, paniguradong exciting ito. Si Cosmo Atomica actually siguro isang semis stint away na lang siya from victory, from Ganteding Champion of the Month for Team Road. Ang mangyayari pala rito, yung mag-champion sa Team Home at Team Road, sila yung lalaban sa Grand Prix sa December 31. Ngayong taon, yung Grand Prix 2023 will consist of Team Home and Team Road, tapos Tech Exhibition. Yun po yung mangyayari. Alright. Pero doon sa yung Team Road, pwedeng magalan. So, hiwa-hiwala yung mga champion. Team Home at saka may isang champion sa Team Bahay, isang champion sa Team Labas, at saka Speed Tech champion. So, tatlong category po yung magiging Grand Prix natin this year, 2023. So, moving on with our newest edition today, it's Cosmo Atomica taking on Magmar Battle of FMA Red and Reinforced MA Red Chassis. Battle of Red Chassis yung una nating segwala. And in our race day today, this week, 2-1. Una ang lane 2, then lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1. Ganyan. So, una lane 2. So, for Group A, higher seat will start at lane 2. And for Group B, it's going to be lane 1 as a starting lane of the higher seat. So, in this case, it's Cosmo Atomica who will start at lane 2 and Megmar will start at lane 1. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to kick off this penultimate chapter of September 2023 right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this Group A, race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Alright. Pagkara na bombang burombang. KO. Cosmo, winner by hit. Aray. Aray. Aray, pupu. Natanggalan ng roller duro. Aray. Nabangga. Nadumpar. Cosmo, winner by hit. Natulumi, hindi ko nasa agad. Ayun. Aray, pupu. Aray, pupu. Officials time out, Cosmo. Officials time out kay Cosmo. Okay, officials time out kay Cosmo. Dapat tayong 19 dyan. racing. Kasi aabot lang sa ano. Wala na kasi akong dun. Pwede naman kahit anong ano eh, kahit anong roller na maisipan, pwede naman. Since it is an open race, okay lang naman. Kung sakaling may ma-accidente na, no? Eh, ang remedyo na lang natin for now, kaysa mag-glue ka tayo, matagal tayo bago mag-glue. Wait. Para na, di bali na. Okay. Again, Cosmo, winner. Yan. Group B, race 1. Alright. So, napakita na natin yung ano, lineup ng magkabilang panig. So, alam niyo na kung sino-sino yung mga kasali. As we go along, papakilala rin natin yan. Alright. So, Cosmo pala panalo. By hit. Reverse triangle yun. Cosmo. McLaren, Magmaros pala. Yun. Tapos, hit yun, hit. With hit. Hit. Next, Group B, race number 1. Will feature Metalder taking on Neon Sarah in our first of the 6th race ng kanilang grupo. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1, Neon Sarah at lane 2. Alright, race number 1 of Group B, switch on. Ready? Stop. Ready, set, bye. Good. Habol. Yun lang. Aray, final na. Laser arm. Na laser arm. Aray. Laser arm. Chugju. Metalder, winner. Nakatingin ng laser arm si Neon Sarah. Blue. Na laser arm. Na laser arm. Laser arm. Na laser arm si Neon Sarah. Taray. Tama lang pala yung baterya ko. Good. Good. Maong labat, malong labat. Yung tubig. Alright. Next, Group A, race number 2. Group A, race number 2 will feature McLaren taking on Polaris in our second race of Group A. And in this matchup, McLaren starts at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Alright. Race number 2 of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final up. Nakabawi this time. Nakabawi. Magandang bawi niya na, McLaren. Ibang klase. McLaren winner. Sayang, hindi na ni Polaris eh. Hindi nakuha ni Polaris yung tamang momentum eh. Sayang. McLaren. Okay? Race number 2 of Group B will feature Venom taking on MP. So, blue versus orange ang ating Group B matchup sa race number 2 nila. And in this matchup, dahil parehong super 2, bababa ko na lang dito. So, in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and MP starting at lane 2. Saktong-sakto. Blue versus orange. Alright. Group B, race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. After change of ending, tingnan natin kung makakapit. On to the final lap. Yun ako nakakampak. Sayang. Sayang yun. Adios kapalaran. Nangyari na kay MP. Pauwi na nga sana. Sumabit pa pag after yung bouncing straight. Aray, sumama yung landing. Ayun, naunahan. Venom winner. Yan. Okay. Next, loser's bracket. Loser's bracket next. Red mark kay MP, blue, green mark kay Venom. Kung green panalo, kung blue tabla, kung red talo. Yan. Color code lang po yun ha, no offense. No offense about it. Battle of Wind non-FM cars ang mangyayari ngayon sa ating race number 3 of Group A between Magmar and Polaris. And in this matchup, it's dahil depihit, uupo na naman ako ulit. It's going to be Magmar starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Alright, Group A, race number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final up. Okay, winner. Winner. Medyo na ano itong isa. Official time up. Yan. Ganun lang. Okay. Polaris winner. Polaris 1 over Magmar. 0-2 si Magmar. Embang parehas. Durug. Next. Group B, race number 3 will feature Nian Sara taking on MP. So, orange versus green naman ngayon yung mangyayari dito sa ating race number 3 ng Group B, wherein the starting lane for the cars, it's going to be Nian Sara starting at lane 1. Again, MP starting at lane 2. Alright, race number 3 of Group B, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Yun, nagulat. Lumabot na yung tape. Last lane changer. Iyan parang ahead. On to the final lap. Nako, nakahapon pa. Hoy! What a finish! What a finish! Grabe! MP finally winning it. Wow! Ibang klase. Ibang klase yun. Ibang klaseng habulan yung palitan ng lamang yung nakita natin doon mga kabipat. Grabe. Yun, nakakamiss sa Dipats Tamiya League eh. Hindi lang talaga tayo natamaan ng lintik eh. Tuloy-tuloy sana yung season 4 eh. Hindi yung Sara pala 0-2. Tapos si MP 1 all. Kasi si Polaris 1 all. Ayun. Next. Group A, race number 4. Group A race number 4, finals rematch nung nakaraang Miyerkules. McLaren muling haharapin si Cosmo Atomica. Unfortunately nga lang, si Cosmo Atomica binangga kasi ni Magmar, kaya nagkaroon tuloy siya ng lamat. Sige, so pares na sila ni Darksan na may lamat. Alright, so in this race number 4 of Group A, it's going to be McLaren who will be starting at lane 2. And lane 1 is the starting lane for Cosmo Atomica. Alright, race number 4 of Group A. Switch on. I know 3 match. Ready, set, bye. Ay, grabe. Parang may championship lang talaga. Hindi na McLaren. Final lap. Okay. Mismatch talaga. Agrabyado na kasi si Cosmo Atomica eh. McLaren winner. Alright. McLaren, Magna, Cosmo Polaris. Yun. Alright. Bigla pa yung mga bot. McLaren 1 over Cosmo. Alright. Race number 4 of Group B features the top 2 from Group B. Itong si Venom kalaban si McLaren. McLaren si Metalder pala, sorry. Metalder, the Tokusatsu Metal Hero taking on a Marvel super villain Venom sa match-up na to. And it's going to be Venom who will be starting at lane 1. Metalder at lane 2. Alright. Race number 4 of Group D. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last 2. Final lap. Okay. Venom winner. Hindi pa rin umubra yung laser arm sa lightning wave. Durog. Red Metalder. Venom 1. Wala pang nagtatabla. So mga undefeated ngayon, McLaren at Venom. So yung mga kalaban sa Let's End Go, yung mga undefeated so far. Okay, water break ulit. Water break. Okay. Tama ba yun? Alright. Last 4. Last 4 na to. Last 4 races of group stage. This will feature Group A race number 5 between Cosmo Atomica and Polaris in our matchup. So, sa labang ito, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2. Lane 1 this time, ang starting lane ni Polaris. Alright. The penultimate race of Group A. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Edmond. Salty. Alright. lane changer. Final lap. Winner. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright, so tapos na yung Group A. Matatapos na yung Group A, isa na lang. McLaren magmana na nilas. So si Cosmo Atomica nakabawi sa talo niya kay McLaren. So second place. Kung makuha ni McLaren mamaya, ano na yan? A1 si McLaren, tapos Cosmo A2. Polaris A3 kung matalo si Magmar mamaya. Race number 5 of Group B features Metalder versus MP in this penultimate race of their group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Metalder starting at lane 1 and MP will be starting at lane 3. Sure. Alright. The penultimate race of Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oy! Yan ka lang tayo.
Paslay changer MP.
May Moreno pa. Final lap. Good. Winner. At least walang natumba. O sumabit man yun pero nakabalik di good pa rin. MP closing out its group stage campaign with a victory over Metalder. Alright. Last 2 races sa group stage. So 2-1 si MP. 2-1 si MP. 1 lang, 1. 1 loss lang yun. Yun si Metalder ang 1-2. Yan. Neon Sara, ni laser arm si ano. Ni laser arm ni Metalder Aray. Tapos sinisahan pa ni MP. Aray ko po. Alright. Final race of Group A featuring McLaren versus Magmar. Yan. So Battle of Reinforced Chassis ang ating final race ng Group A. And in this matchup, it's going to be lane 2 for McLaren and Magmar starting at lane 1. Yun po yung respective starting lanes sila dito sa ating final race ng Group A. Switch on! Ready, set, bye! Patay! Last 2. Final lap. Nag-time pa. Okay, nakapanalo rin sa wakas. Magmar winner. Naisahan si McLaren. Naisahan si McLaren, imbang aray. Yung nga lang, ano yan, 1-2, 2-1, saka 1-2. O, ano pa rin. McLaren A1, Cosmo A2. Yung pa rin. Yung pa rin pala. Tapos 1-2. Talo si, talo si Magmar kay Polaris. O, A4 pa rin si Magmar. So kasado na yung Group A. Kasado na yung Group A. Alright. Final race of Group B. Featuring Neon Sara taking on Venom. So, blue versus green. Parang Ateneo Lasal lang itong laban na to sa ating 6th and final race ng Group B. And in this matchup, they're pareho super 2. Uupo ko ulit. Defeat kasi parehas. So, sa matchup na to, Venom starting at lane 1. Neon Sara starting at lane 2. It's blue versus green. Mala Ateneo Lasal na rivalry sa ating 6th and final race ng Group B. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Neon Sara ahead. Pero, sinusikap pabulin si Neon Sara. Ayun, medyo sumabit. Final indicator, Neon Sara, medyo nagkastambol. Ayun na, nakabatukan ni Madam Cobalt Leaf. Aray. Oh. Sinuwerte pa. Pera na, naging bato pa. Sayang. Venom winner over Neon Sara. So unfortunately si Neon Sara B4. So makakarap ni Neon Sara si McLaurin. Top seed si McLaurin eh. McLaurin tinalo niya si Osmo eh. Kahit tabla sila ng dalawa. So tapos na pala yung group stage. This will close out the group stage. Yung huling laro na yon. So papunta sa knockout stage. Mabilis lang to. Mabilis lang po to. Alright. 4 points. Ay, ibang ballpen pala na sulat ko. 4 points. 2 points. Yung naging distribution. Ito naman si Venom, 6 points. Undefeated. Neon Sara, 0. Tapos, 0. 0-3 kasi. Wala rin pala nagkatabla-tabla, no? Doon lang sa two-way tie. Kung meron mang nagtabla-tabla, win over the other na lang kasi dalawa-dalawa. Pair, by pair naman. Dalawang pair lang naman ang nagtabla. Yung parehong identical win-loss record. Walang nag-draw. So, yun ang maganda. So, didiretso tayo sa knockout stage agad-agad. So, madali tayo matatapos ngayong araw. Alright. Madali tayo matatapos today. 1, 2, 3-0 pala si Venom. Alright. So, kasado na yung ating at the end of our group stage tonight. Tonight na po dahil medyo alas 6 na po ng gabi. So, natapos na natin kaagad yung group stage na dun kabilis at wala naman naging problema, walang re-race na nangyari. Lahat na talagang nasettle in 6. So, 6 all the way yan hanggang may mag-final. So, pero pagdating ng October, ganun pa rin, race to 6 pa rin. Stock Motor Conference nga eh. So, race to 6 lahat yan para mas madali tayo matapos. Alright, lalo na pag humaba yung track layout natin, hanggang lang. Pag mas marami tayong track panel, 4, tsaka 6, race for third, tsaka final, race to 6 na lang. Race to 6 na lang yan. Wala nang 10 lap. Alright. Tsaka humaba na kasi yung mga natin, mga track panel natin. Ang dami na nating parts ngayon. Pansin nyo, meron tayong dragon back. Again, yung gray zone na yon, yung dragon back at saka yung may bouncing straight at yung dalawang straight, ako po may gawa niyan. Pinrovide na po yan ang inyo pong lingkod para sa mas exciting na D-Pats kami. So, 2 points metal there. 1 win, 2 losses. Tapos si MP, 4 points. Yan. So, kasado na yung Group A. Ang Group A natin will be McLaurin as A1. Sulat natin. Tapos, Cosmo Atomica si A2. Pero baka huling laro na niyan siguro. Wala na kasi tayong FMA eh. FMA. Kaya nga siguro kumuha ng Bracken G. Wala na ibang paraan kundi kumuha talaga ng Bracken G. O kaya kung may makuha tayong FMA na abs, standard abs. Yan yung gamitin natin. Pambahay. Sayang, pagandang pangkarera sana yan eh. Kukuha sana ako dalawa. O kaya, red and green. Tapos yung red, bigay na kay Cosmo yung isa. Pwede rin sana. Pero sige. Pagtyagaan na lang natin. Si Polaris A3. Kasi nanalo siya kontra kay Magmar. Si Magmar, ang natalo lang ni Magmar, si McLaurin, umiimbang. Umiimbang si McLaurin. Dalag. I-explain explain natin yan mamaya-maya. B1, Venom. Crossover quarterfinal at semifinals po kasi yung ating format. Pero pagdating ng October, ano na to? 7 at a time. 7 races at a time. So, mas mahaba. So, mas mahaba yan. Quarters 1, quarters 2, semis 1, semis 2. Tapos, race for third championship. Ano na yan? 21 races. Tapos, 21 races sa elimination round. Tapos sa knockout stage, 2 quarters, 2 semis, tapos race for third championship. 27 races. Dito, 20 races lang eh. Dumami lang yan pag may tiebreaker case. Tapos dito ay si MP. Si MP, maganda yung tinatakbo. Palibasa, medyo nangihina na yung baterya. Kaya, ganun na lang siguro yung ano niya, yung ganda ng kanyang momentum. Alright, Metalder B3. And then, Neon Sara B4. Neon Sara naman, biglang lakas lalo. Kailangan pala 5:1. Daya. Alright. So, end of our group stage tonight, it's going to be like this. Yan. So, papakita natin dito. So, at the end of team home group stage, ayan po yung mga nangyari. Identical 2 and 1 win-loss record for both Cosmo Atomica and McLaren. While Magma and Polaris both have identical 1 and 2 win-loss record, making a total of 2. But according to the win over the other rule, Cosmo versus McLaren, ang nanalo doon ay si McLaren. Kung ganon, si McLaren ang A1, Cosmo Atomica A2. Pa si Magmar at Polaris, nanalo si Polaris. Kung ganon naman, si Polaris ang A3, Magmar A4. On the other hand, eto nga po, madali lang. Ang Team Road, walang naging problema, walang tabla. Venom solo first, MP solo second, Metalder solo third, Neon Sara solo fourth, with a winless record, evenly distributed. Yan nga po yon, Venom B1, MP B2, Metalder B3, and Neon Sara B4. So yan po yung ating yung group stage results. And going to our knockout stage right away. Hindi natin kailangan ng tiebreaker phase, so madali na to. Pwede na natin tanggalin yung dalawang black panels. Papalitan na natin yan ng blue panel. Isang blue panel, yun nga na, sumabit. Okay. Yan. Ayusin na natin yung quarters 1. Alam ba nung nakaraan? Pag ganito siya, no? Dito naman tayo magsimula. Pag ganyan, 2, 3, 4. Ito yung mahuli. Ano na yun? 1, 2, 3. A3, B2. A3, B2. Sino yung A3, B2? Yun ang unang quarterfinals. A3, Polaris. B2, MP. Polaris, MP yung unang quarterfinals natin. Tapos, B2. A2 pala. A2, tsaka B3. Metalder. Metalder, B3. Next, si McLaren, A1, B4, Neon Sara. Then Venom, B1, A4, Magmar. Alright. Nice na. Alright. So, welcome to D-Pods Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference once again. This is yours truly, Don Patrick D. Regular. We are now in our knockout stage right away. To be started with this quarterfinals number 1 matchup between A3 Polaris and B2 MP. So, sa labang ito, ang starting lane ni MP, lane 2. Si Polaris, lane 1. Yun na po yung mga starting lane nila, respectively, lane 2 for MP, lane 1 for Polaris. So, yun po yung unang laban natin sa quarterfinals. Pwede na mag-adjust. Alright mga ka-D-Pod, without further ado, it's now time to start off our knockout stage this September 25, 2023 here on D-Pod's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final danger intake. Good. Final lap. KO. Winner. Nice. So that's it for Polaris this month of September 2023. And unfortunately, Polaris will bow out of contention and with scoreless aggregate scoring. Pointless. Walang point na nang-score ngayong buwan ng September 2023. Itong si Polaris. But for sure, babawi yan sa susunod na buwan, October 2023, as we conduct the Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference in a newer rule and regulation. Rules and regulations. Mababago na po. 7 cars at a time na po. Pero, yung mga team labas, isa-isa na lang silang papasok. Kung ilan yung maipon na team bahay, lahat team bahay ang involved. Bale, pang-practice lang na parang yun ang ipampa-practice sa mga pang-official kung panlaban. And para iandar na yun sa sina MP, Setsuna, Venom, Neon Sara, Metalder at Merrick sa mga mas mabibigat na laban pagdating sa ligang labas. Meanwhile, MP will move on to the semifinals round after eliminating Polaris. So B2 won, nakakuha ng team labas yung unang Seguada. Therefore, MP with a check mark. Polaris with an X mark. Next, Waters number 2. Paikot tayo. A2, B3. A2 versus B3 matchup. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Metalder in our quarterfinals number 2. And in this matchup, this time it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Metalder at lane 2. A2 versus B3, higher seed starting at lane 1 this time. Alternate starting lane. Pero doon sa next month, balik na tayo sa dati. Yung dati nating rules sa DPATS Tamiya League. For regular season, gaming, sabihin na natin. Tamiya gaming tayo. Pero ang maganda lang doon, mas active. Yung talagang actual, hindi yung sa computer lang. Yung mga bata kasi ngayon, mahilig na sa computer, TikTok, naalamon na ng social media. So, pasensya na, pasantabi lang sa mga tamaan na kung tamaan. Yung ayaw mong mataman, maglaro ka na lang ng kiss. Sabi ka din. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our quarter finals number 2. Teka muna. O nga pala. Alright, quarterfinals number 2 mga kadipat, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Cosmo Atomica with a quick start, but Metalder responding to the challenge. And Cosmo with the lead. Despite having an injured arm, ayun, kumabit si Metalder. Hindi umuga yung taker mark. Final lap. Gary. Game over. Game over kay Metalder. And that should do it for Metalder. So last na niya ngayong buwan ng September 2023 upon being eliminated by Cosmo Atomica. So Metalder out of contention for good. And also with the scoreless aggregate scoring this month of September, Bokya, sina Polaris at Metalder. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica trying to secure the champion of the month honor for team home or team bahay. So tigisan na sila. Tigisan team bahay at team labas yung nasipak natin ngayong araw na ito sa DTL SMC. So X mark kay Metalder. Cosmo Atomica check mark. Pero baka posibleng huli na rin ngayong buwan. Huling sayaw. Posibleng huling sayaw na kay Cosmo Atomica. Parang kanta lang ng kamikaze, no? Huling sayaw. Alright. Quarterfinals number 3 will feature the top-seeded car from Group A, McLaren, taking on the Kulelat from Group B, Neon Sara. And this quarterfinals number 3, and starting lane ni McLaren ay sa lane 2, Neon Sara sa lane 1. Again, McLaren at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes. Alright. Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath activated. Alright. Alright mga kadipak, it's now time for our quarterfinals. Number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay! Napasukan ni Matangkukan B. Grabe, nagwala yung McLaren. Yan talaga ang bracket guide niya, tapos TSM eh. Talaga nagwawala kahit stock motor. Kahit stock motor na talaga nagwawala eh. No? And that should do it for Neon Sara. Final race na niya Neon Sara ngayong buwan nito after being eliminated by McLaren. So final score kay Neon Sara will be 3 points. So only a second place finish. Yun lang po yung napanalo niya. So si Metal de las Neon Sara from 14 labas out of contention this month of September 2023. And McLaren will move on to the semifinals round after eliminating Neon Sara. So nabawian niya. Mali. Sayang, ang ganda sana yung momentum ni Neon Sara kung di lang nagana. Kung nakapag-minor lang sana. So, another check mark for Team Home. Okay, let's see kung mabasag ni Venom ang trend na magkaroon ng 3-1 na naman ang Team Bahay with this last quarter-final duel. Venom, the top-seeded car from Group B, taking on the Pulelat of Group A, Magmar. Yan, so isa sa kanila posibleng huling laro na rin. Ang matalo dito huling laro na ngayon September. Alright, quarterfinals number 4 matchup, Venom versus Magmar. And in this quarterfinals matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 and Magmar starting at lane 2. Ayun, kasi parang defeat kasi kaya ganito na lang yung question natin. Alright. The fourth and final quarter-final duel in the knockout stage. Switch on! Ngayong araw, siyempre. Ready, set, bye! Kaya malahib, hoy! Tumagsad. Napasukan na naman. Last 2. Grabe talaga yung sweetness ni Magmar. Ay, Venom, final up. KO! Winner! Grabe. And unfortunately for Magmar, that should be the last for this month of September 2023 para kay Magmar. So final score niya ay 2 points. So, yun na yung magiging final score niya. So, hindi na siya makasali ulit sa Wednesday. Unfortunate nga lang. And it's going to be Venom, surviving another challenge from another member of the Orange Army. So, si Venom at MP para sa Team Road at si McLaren at Cosmo Atomica para sa Team Home ang papasok ng semi-finals round. Ibang klase. Grabe, split ang nangyari. 2, dalawang team bahay, dalawang team labas. Yung mangyayari ngayon sa ating semi-finals. So, Team Bahay versus Team Labas ang ating dalawang semi-finals matchup. And Magmar with an X mark. Venom with a check mark. Yon. Yan nga po yun. Ito nga po yun. Papakita natin. Pala. Oh. Tabig ulit. So, ayan po yung resulta ng ating quarterfinals matchup. Yung may checkmark, sila po yung mga nanalo. Yung mga may X, sila yung talo. McLaren defeated Neon Sara. Cosmo Atomica defeated Metalder. Polaris defeated by MP. Magmar eliminated by Venom. So, yun po yung mga natin. Yung mga may checkmark, sila po yung papasok sa ating semifinals round. Alright. Semifinals number 1, right away na tayo mga kagipat. This will feature Cosmo Atomica, the second-seeded car from Group A, taking on another second-seeded car in MPay from Group B. So, labanan ng mga second-seeded car na magkabilang panig. Itong labanan sa ating semifinals number 1, another battle of Orange Army. Labanan ng mga Pongkan. Another set of battle of Pongkan. Labanan ng mga Pongkan na naman yung ating semifinals natin. And in this semifinals number 1 matchup between MPay and Cosmo Atomica, kung sino yung may mas magandang record, yun ang ano. Kung sino yung may mas magandang record, ano ba yun? 2-1? Pare silang 2-1 sa magkabilang group. Eh di, ang gawin natin, ano na siya? Aggregate scoring. Aggregate scoring na lang. Mas mataas si Cosmo, 16. 16 points si Cosmo Atomica at the moment, o baka 17 na ngayon, possible. Maximum of 20 ngayong after tonight's race day, possible. So sa kaso nito, dahil pareho silang 2-1 sa magkabilang panig, tapos second seeded parehas, it will all boil down to their aggregate scoring. So Cosmo Atomica gaining the upper hand with 16 while MPay has only 2. Therefore, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica which will start at lane 2 and MPay will start at lane 1. Pwede ng Dragon Spread pa. Talagang Dragon's Breath, literal eh. Oops! Oops! Sandali.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright. Biglang naputol yung speaker. Alright mga kadipat, it's now time for our semi-finals round of the knockout stage right here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 25, 2023. Once again, good evening to all. And of all Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive fans like yours truly, Don Patrick D. Paraguila, and we are now in the semi-finals round of the KO stage. And we will start right away our semi-finals number 1. Switch on! Dito pala. Ready, set, bye. Medyo namina na. Alangin. Alangin na TNT. Sabagay, at least nakapalik. Final ingredient. Final lap. Okay, umimbang pa. Mas mabagal na umimbang pa. Aray ko po. Nadupulwami. Aray. And it's going to be Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship race once again. So that should do it. That should do it for our aggregate scoring. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica dominating their group, team home. So, ano na yan, let's just make it official na lang sa Miyerkules yung kanyang pagiging champion of the month ngayong buwan na ito ng September 2023. Para sa team home naman, 4 sa team home, 4 sa team road yung mangyayari dyan. Alright, so si MPay ang lalagay sa race for third, si Cosmo Atomica naman papasok sa championship race. Alright. So, 19 or 20 ang final score at the end of this race day ni Cosmo Atomica. Alright. Well, semis number 2. Semi-finals number 2 will feature the top-seeded cars from their respective... Actually, mga top-seeded car pala ang nagsipasukan ngayon sa ating semi-finals. Both from Team Road and Team Home. This time, yung mga top-seeded cars naman ang maglaban sa ating semi-finals number 2. McLaren of Group A and McLaren of Team Home and Venom of Team Road para sa ating semi-finals number 2. So, top-seeded cars, parehong undefeated pero nagkatalo sa kanilang scoring. Venom ang lane 1. Ayun, nakuha rin. Alright. So, base sa scoring natin nung what do you call this? Base sa scoring ng aggregate scoring natin, dahil pareho silang 3-0, top-seeded din, magkabilang group, it all boils down to the scoring. So, si McLaren may 8 points, si Venom, 12. Therefore, Venom will gain the upper hand as the higher seed. Therefore, ang starting lane ni Venom ay sa lane 1, si McLaren sa lane 2. Yun yung mga ano nila, respective starting lane. Venom at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2. Tama-tama. Blue corner against red corner. Blue against red, mangyayari. Ayos to. Paniguradong pakpakan na to. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our semi-finals. Number 2, the battle of Paxiculated and Go Villains. Switch on! Ready, set, bye. Sabi sa'yo, bakpakan. Nagwala si McLaren. Hinabol ni Venom. McLaren ulit na naman. Let's see at the final lane finger. Si McLaren yun. Final lap. Tingnan natin. Oh my goodness. Ayun. Holy smoke. Na-late na ng ilang second. Mga 1 second late na siya na Venom. Sayang. Ang ganda sana ng palitan ng lamang na yan, mga kadipat. Wow. And it's going to be McLaren who will be victorious over Venom, and yung team home na dominate ang semi-finals round. Sila ulit ang maglaban ni Cosmo Atomica sa ating championship race. Pero unfortunately for Cosmo Atomica, dahil nasiraan siya ng right arm, right front roller, most likely, posibleng last dance. Last dance na niya siguro. Maliban na lang kung isasakripisyo ko ng PC abs dun sa ano. Baka ganun na lang yung gawin ko sa October, most likely. Alright. Sayang. Sayang, ganda sana. Race for third na po tayo mga kadipat. It's going to be the battle of Super 2 chassis cars, Venom and MP. So, yung top seed, mga top guns ng Group B ang race for third. Mga top guns naman ng Group A ang championship race later on. So in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and MP will be starting at lane 1. Dahil Venom kasi B1, si MP B2. Therefore, higher seed si Venom, kanya ang lane 2. Alternate starting lane niya. Alright. Ayan. Okay, wala namang problema. Kung nagiging problema lang kay MP itong ano, down thrust niya. At saka mas malaki kasi, hamak na mas malaki kasi yung bagyo yung gulong niya. Ayusin natin. Alright. So si Venom so far, wala namang problema. Alright. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third this September 25, 2023. Right here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay na mahid. Ay, napreno si MP. Final lane changer Venom. Layo ng Dr. Panji. Ay nalap. Okay. Okay. Buti na lang nasa loob. Kaya tumakbo na ako eh. Baka magkabanggaan pa. Kawawa naman. Mas mabagal na nga. Natulumi pa. Nasigawan pa ng tulumi. Ay mas malala. Batumi sinigaw. Batumi! And Venom will close out this September 25, 2023 edition of the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference with a third place finish. And MP will settle for a fourth place finish, adding 1 point on its aggregate tally. And si Venom naman tatapos ulit na pangatlo, tatlong dikit na race day na pong third place si Venom. Consistent. Consistent sa third place finish for 3 consecutive races already. Since last week pa. Now, alright. Championship race now on our way between McLaren and Cosmo Atomica. So, top 2 naman ng team bahay ang magkalaban sa ating championship race. Sila rin pala ulit, no? 3 match na lang pala nung nakaraang finals. Sila ulit ang nakabalik sa finals this time. And in this matchup, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1 and Cosmo Atomica will be starting at lane 2 dahil nga po top seeded si McLaren, second seed si Cosmo Atomica. So tingnan natin ngayon kung makakabawi si Cosmo Atomica sa pagkakataong ito. Alright mga ka-dipat, without further ado, it's now time for our championship race to culminate our festivities right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 25, 2023, first to 6, switch on. Ready, set, bye. McLaren with the kick start, at Cosmo Atomica gaining the upper hand. McLaren, ang ganda ng jump, ibang klase. Ang lakas ng buwelo niya pa, bang district. Last two. Final lap. May dead hit pa kaya? Hindi. Hindi po nagkaroon ng dead hit. Kasi last time na nagkalap sila sa championship, dead hit ang nangyari. Kaya kinailangan natin ng isa pang race to 6. Noong ano na yan. Pero talagang pa rin, talagang malakas si McLaren. And still, our back-to-back champion McLaren, yan, si McLaren, back-to-back championship to culminate September 25, 2023 festivities here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And as 3 straight second place finish this time for Cosmo Atomica. Alright. Inom lang tayo ulit bago natin i-declare yung final result. Makaininom ako. Yummy. Ayan. So nakikita nyo po doon sa baba, mga kadipat, ayan nga po yung podium finishers po natin. Mamaya-maya, ililipat na tayo doon. Alright. Yan. Ang bilis na. Bilis na lipat, ano? Alright. Right, kunin ko pala yung aggregate scoring dahil dito na nakasalala yung yung magiging kapalaran ng ating mga auto sa DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Alright. Alright. So, mga ka-DPAT, these are the podium finishers for tonight's race day on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 25, 2023 with McLaren winning a back-to-back championship for after tonight's race day. Yan. So, additional 4 points on aggregate making it 12. So, si Venom pala lumamang ulit ng dalawa. Lamang na lang ng dalawa kay McLaren. Alright. And on the other end, Cosmo Atomica, another second place finish for 3 consecutive race days already. And Cosmo Atomica will gain a total of 19 points. Unreachable na po yan. Kahit anong mangyari naman kay Cosmo, unreachable na talaga yung yung 16 points. Kaso nadagdagan pa ngayon ng finals. So, one final stint should do the trick for Cosmo Atomica to secure the Champion of the Month honor this September 2023 right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So, early congratulations for Cosmo Atomica with a total of 19. Unreachable na po yan dahil isang race day na lang po yung natitira ngayong September 2023 which is on September 27. Yun yung last race day natin this month. Pagdating ng October 2, by the way pala, advance happy birthday to Miss Lizelle Lopez, si General Zandra ng Voltage 5 Legacy, advance happy birthday on October 2. Ngayong October 2, birthday po niya. Alright. Nabati ko na kagad. Babatiin ko ulit sa October 2. To start up a new chapter, a new set of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action sa DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So, again, Cosmo Atomica with a total of 19. Unreachable na po yan for Team Bahay. On the other end, Venom with another third place finish. Again, like Cosmo Atomica with 3 consecutive race days being third place. Additional 2 points on aggregate once more. and cementing its hold on top of Team Labas as the top scorer, as the top aggregate scorer ng kanilang grupo. So Venom is meron pa siyang 3-point lead kay Venom, kay Setsuna pala. So sina Setsuna at Venom pala maglalaban dun sa top spot nung Team Labas for the right to be crowned champion of the month for Team Road. So it's up to Venom and Setsuna kung paano nila isesettle yung score nila sa Miyerkules, September 27, which is also my brother's birthday rin. Advance happy birthday to my Kuya Kokoy, Marco Misolas Aguilar. Advance happy birthday on Wednesday. Yan. And also to Demetria Abrenica din, yung katukayan ng aking ama na naging kaklase ko nung high school. Advance happy birthday din on September 27. Finally but not the least, MP returning to the semifinals once more with additional 1 aggregate point after finishing fourth. Total of 3. So, final score na kay Neon Sara, 3 points. Si Metalder, Bokya, Polaris, Bokya, Magmar, 2. So, yun. Official na yun. Yung na final score nila. So, ano na to? Yung team bahay, settled na. So, it all boiled down to the duel between Venom and Setsuna on Wednesday to determine the other champion of the month for Team Labas this time. So, isang team bahay, isang team labas ang magiging champion of the month. Pagdating naman ng October to December sa last quarter ng taong 2023, kung sino naman yung yung top scorer, yung isa pang top scorer ng team bahay, team labas, ganyan. Isang team bahay, isang team labas as champion of the month. Alright. So that will do it for our latest edition tonight on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this September 25, 2023. Once again, ito po yung mga podium finishers po natin ngayong gabi. And once again, this has been your host here, Don Patrick D. Paraguilar, signing up for now. And thank you so much to all who watch. Ayan, shout out sa nakasilip. Thanks so much for dropping by. And for those who will be watching anytime, opo, ay talagang nakasave lang po ito sa ating D-Pats Tamiya League Facebook page. And as always mga ka-D-Pat, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, especially drugs and all other negativities around. And protect yourselves from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. Mga ka-D-Pat, muli po, ako pa yung nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang magandang Lunes malinis ng gabi sa inyo pong lahat. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation. And God bless all of us Filipinos across the globe. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundo na tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw ng malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting edition of D-Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, and we will close out September 2023 on Wednesday, September 27, 2023 para makoronahan ang champion of the month ng Team Bahay at ng Team Labas. So for now mga ka-D-Pat, this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguilar. Thanking you all for watching. Shukran and God bless always.